wings. The one a special bird. Long ago, there was a great sphinx. She looked after every animal in the kingdom. One day, he caught a tiny bird. The bird was plain looking, but great speed gave her wings that were very special. The bird could clap her wings faster than any other bird. She could fly backward or stay in one spot. When she did this, her wings made the most splendid humming sound. That is why great speed named her hummingbird. She got older. Hummingbird looked at the birds around her. Some had red feathers, and some had blue feathers. Some even had yellow feathers. At first, this made hummingbird sad. Why do I have such plain feathers? She said. The other birds said, you may be plain, but you make music when you fly. This made hummingbird feel good. One day, hummingbird met another bird. They decided to get married. But there was a problem. Hummingbird didn't have money to wear a wedding dress. She was so sad that she stopped flying. This made the other birds sad too. They missed her humming sound. Let's help our friend, said Spider. What can we do? Asked the bird with the red feathers. Let's all think hard, said Spider. Together we can come up with a plan. All the animals nodded. They wanted Hummingbird to be happy. They wanted her to fly and hum again.